Me and Captain Jack are back tomorrow, baby. I'm excited now. Every time we take this thing out, I get more excited, Pipes. He gets excited too. Because the spring is coming to you. Are you ready for the spring rush? I hope you are. What's going on, Lightbringer? How are you today? I'm doing good. Listen, I just got to the car wash, and today we got to clean off the BOSS VBX 8000. And listen, man, we had a snowstorm the other day. I had just taken this thing out. Me and my boy Pipes, we just took the thing out. In the forecast, there wasn't no snow. And then out of nowhere, boom, snowstorm. So we had to put this mug back in. Now, for the last couple of days, it has been 13 degrees and 19 degrees. So I was like, nah, your boy's not coming up here in the cold and touching no water. Today it's 51 degrees. The light is out, it's shining bright. It's got me feeling so good, and I felt like, let's take this thing back out. But before we do that, we gotta clean it up. Look at all of the salt that's on this. It looks disgusting. But we're about to change that. Me and you. And then we're gonna head up to the compound and meet Pipes and take this thing out. We're also gonna spray off the truck because the truck is also a dirty mess. So let's get that done so we can head up here, see Pipes, and hang out with him for a little bit in this video. Let's go. Just finished that up. Got salt all over me now. Sheesh. I didn't know how much that stuff was gonna be spraying all over me. Well, actually I did. But we're gonna head up to the compound now to hang out with Pipes and take out the BOSS VBX. So I will see you when we get up there. Let's go. Now we're at the compound, and just as I pull up, Pipes pulls up. So now we're gonna make quick work of taking this VBX out of the back of the truck and getting her put away for the time being. Hopefully it don't snow anymore. To be honest with you, I don't like the snow, but I do it. It's the one thing that I do that I don't like, but it works well. So it does. There it is. Here's the cover. There's pipes. I don't have my keys, so we got to get the keys real quick. We're also gonna have to put the tailgate back on. So yeah. The dirty Toros and a square barrel.
We're taking it in, we're putting it out.
We never know. That's from the book of John.
We're putting it in, and then we're taking it out. We're putting it in spring, summer, fall, winter. What time of the year is it? Mother Nature don't know. She's had one too many.
Pipes.
You ask me.
Look at, Pipes knows what to do now.
Well, yeah, I've done it 3 times.
Oh.
Back in?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. I knew I was doing it right.
I wish I was taller. I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good. I would call her. Well, I do have a girl that looks good. I do call her. I wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat, a 6'4" baller. I'm 5'8", I'm little, all right? It's very difficult for me to get up in here, so I gotta put you down for a second, then I'm gonna get in, then I'll get you again, all right? Let's go. We're back. Look. It's cleaned out. Now let's pop these bad boys off. While Pipes gets the Bob Kizzle. Pipes gets the Bob Kizzle.
It's a gorgeous day.
Beautiful day, right, Pipes?
Mind blowing.
Beautiful day.
Like you literally plowed 5 days ago.
Was it that long? No.
Yeah, Thursday night into Friday. Right?
What's today?
Or no, Friday into Saturday you plowed.
Yeah. And today's
4 days.
4 days ago.
And now it's 50 degrees.
50 degrees. Mother Nature.
Yeah, dude.
Come on, man. Get it together. Just let me get some consistency around here. Sheesh.
Just snow.
Do you hear, Pipes? If it's gonna snow, just snow.
Look at this big old.
Oh yeah, that was about to be a blunder. Yeah, that's a little extra. We got that little extra. It's left over. Chuck it out there, Pipes.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, Pipes don't have a very good arm. He said that. We got everything unhooked. We leave these here. We're gonna strap them to this here, these handles. We're gonna strap the straps to the handles and then on to the Bob Kizzle.
Go ahead, give it a crank.
All right, we're nice and tight. You could say me and Pipes almost got this down to a science, huh, Pipes? We almost got this thing down to a science. Except for getting these unstrapped and holding this at the same time. But boom, we're off. Yeah, I'd say we're golden, Pipes.
And here it lives for another week.
Yeah, we'll leave it there for now.
We'll be putting
And
it back
just in case, yeah, oh yeah, we might.
It might. There's like a 50-50.
It might snow again, even though it's supposed to be in the 60s this whole
But you
this
can
whole
get some
time.
mulch done in the next couple days.
Yeah, now me and Captain Jack, me and Pipes got to put the tailgate back on. Where is
I
the
gotta move this out of the way.
Where's the tailgate? Oh, the tailgate. Now we got to put the tailgate on because me and Captain Jack are back tomorrow, baby. I'm excited now. Every time we take this thing out, I get more excited, Pipes. He gets excited too. Because the spring is coming to you. Are you ready for the spring rush? I hope you are. If you're not, and you would like to be a little more prepared, I got these email response templates to help you out. I will put a link to them down in the description of the video. You could download these templates, all right? And then when someone hits you up during the spring rush, you can just fire this email back to them quickly and take some stress out of your life. They'll be down in the description. Go check them out. All right, we got to put this tailgate on. Let's go. Now this, it don't look like it's heavy. It's an aluminum tailgate, just like the aluminum dump, obviously. It weighs around 150 pounds. So it's not like hard to put on, but it's awkward. But anyway, let's get this thing going here, Pipes. Heave, ho, heave, ho, off to work we go. Heave, ho. Not if I say it. Ain't that what you said, Pipes? We can say it. All right, we're gonna lean out on there so I can set you up on this lawnmower real quick. Now, me and Pipes have to put the tailgate back on, but before we do, I always have trouble with this thing right here because I just figured out, you seen in the earlier video, that there's some grease points underneath the dump that you got to put on, and your boy hadn't touched those. So let's see if I can do this thing now, and I'm gonna hold the camera while I do it, so wish me luck. Oh yes, Eureka! Hey, we're in there now. Thank goodness I got the Giant on my side, because the Giant is the one who went through and greased all of that stuff. And look, he's even taking care of what we got to take care of. But that lever, it lifts this up so we can put the tailgate back on. Yeah, take these out. Now that was quick, baby. Now we're back.
Yeah, it was fast.
Look at that. Super fast. Now we're done. Me and Captain Jack are going out tomorrow, so be on the lookout for the next video. And if you want to see some more compound footage, you can click on this video up here. But as always, I love you. I appreciate you, and I wish you nothing but success. And I'm out. Peace.